Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new problem which says let Sn equals to this, k starts from 1 to 4n, and this is this. Then Sn can take values. So, in option, they have given you so many situations which you have to check whether it is correct or wrong. Okay, so but still we have to solve this situation first. Now this question is very unique, so please have some patience and try to understand the concept behind this. So suppose that I'm talking about Sn. Okay, it is 4 n terms, correct? Now try to understand that. Suppose you have taken k as 1. So if k as 1, 1 into 2 by 2 is 1, so it's an odd number, so power of minus 1 is an odd number. Okay, so power of minus 1 is an odd number, so it is minus 1 square. Now next time we will put k as 2, so 2 into 3 by 2, so 6 by 2 is 3, so 3 is also an odd number, so minus 1 power odd is negative, so negative 2 square. Now we will take k as 3. So if we will take k as 3, so 3 into 4 is 12. 12 by 2 is 6. 6 means it's an even number. So we will have positive thing. So I'll change the color. So for positive 3 square. Now suppose that I'll take k value as 4. So 4 into 5, 20. 20 by 2 is 10. So minus 1 power 10 is positive. So next time again we will get positive number 4 square. Now I will take k as 5. So 5 into 6 is 30. 30 by 2 is 15. 15 is a negative number. Minus 1 power 15 is negative. So minus 5 square. So similarly, you will have minus 6 square plus 7 square plus 8 square minus 9 square minus 10 square plus 11 square plus 12 square minus dot dot dot. Okay, so this way you will proceed. I have written some part in blue color and some part in different color for better understanding. Okay, now look at this. So this is 4n terms. Now what I will do, I will connect this with this with this. Okay, so four things will be clubbed, so we will be left with 3 square minus 1 square. Okay, I'll write by using same color. For segregation I'll be using this. Now then I'll collect 4 square minus 2 square. Okay, then I will connect 7 with 5. 7 square minus 5 square. Then I will connect 8 square minus 6 square. Then I will connect 11 square minus, no, I have to choose different color. 11 square minus 9 square plus, have patience. Okay, then we have 12 square minus 10 square dot dot dot. Okay, now look at the beauty. Earlier you are having 4 n terms, here also you are having 4 n terms. Now if we will club these two things, means two things are being clubbed, means we will have half the terms, means we will have 2n terms in next stage, correct? So it is a plus b, a minus b. So a plus b is 4, a minus b is 2, so it is 8 plus a plus b is 6, 12. A plus b 12, 24. Okay, then a plus b 28, a plus b a minus b, so 20 and 2 is 40. Then we have 20, 12 plus 10, 22 into 2, 44. Now at exactly this stage we guys are having 2n terms, correct? Now what I will do, the gap is 4, the gap is 4, the gap is 4, okay, and this gap is 12, this gap is 12, okay. So it is not good, it is not a proper GP, proper AP, okay. So what I will do for time being, I will add these two things, so it will become 20. I will add these two things, so it will become 52. These two things will become 84. Now at this stage we are having 4n terms. At this stage we are having 2n terms, as you have clubbed again, so at this stage we are having n terms, correct? Now if you'll observe the gap, it is 32. If you will observe the gap, it is 32. We have solved this kind of question in previous session, correct na? So it's an AP of n terms. So can I write n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d is 32. Is that okay? Now you can simplify things. We will take 2 common and we will simplify. We will be left with this. Okay? Now look at this. So it will become n times 20 plus 16n minus 16. So 20 minus 16 will become 4. So I will take 4. Wait. N time 16n plus 4. What I will do, I will take 4 common. So we will be left with 4n into 4n plus 1. So this is your required answer. Now for any value of n, if your option satisfies, that will be considered as the final answer. I hope this question teaches you a lot. So see you guys in next session of Mathflix.